Dive into the world of outdoor cooking with the Weber Q1000 liquid propane grill, a compact powerhouse of convenience and efficiency. Imagine a stainless steel burner blazing with 8,500 BTU per hour, porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, and a cast aluminum lid and body. This isn't just a grill, it's a ticket to durability and even heat distribution. Relish the ease of push-button ignition and infinite control burner valve settings. Appreciate the compact design, perfect for storage and transport. This grill is your versatile companion, easy to use, easy to clean, and always ready for your next grilling adventure. It's not just about grilling, it's about enhancing your outdoor experience. Tailgating, camping, or backyard barbecues, the Weber Q1000 is your reliable partner. And with compatible accessories, you can expand your cooking options even further. Customers rave about its performance, build quality, accurate heat control, and even heat distribution. Weber's commitment to quality shines through, making the Q1000 a valuable investment for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. So, whether you're an experienced griller, a camping enthusiast, or a beginner looking to make a sizzling start, the Weber Q1000 is the grill for you. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and be sure to visit culinarycrossover.com for more.